Hey guys, John, Vaporoni Technologies back again. We are working with another small valve cover motorcycle component that was brought in again for a cleanup, and we're using the mobile blasting system here today again with the Harbor Freight air compressor. This unit is working remarkably well. We just shot this video. It took us 5 minutes to clean this part up, and you can see just how good it looks. We ran through, right now, I would estimate around 5 pounds of abrasive, maybe a little bit less, in 5 minutes. So super efficient, very easy, very quick. And if you guys are very interested in this product, which you should be because it's a mobile system and there's nothing else in the world like it, give the sales team a call or shoot them an email. They're always here, happy to help. Thanks for watching.